Hello, hello. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, Royal family. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is being safe, washing their hands, and abiding by the CDC guidelines. Last week, I told you that I would probably come back on and do a side. Got to get these veggies in. So I decided to do smothered cabbage today. You know, I'm kind of old, so we call it smothered cabbage. But anyway, I want to do some cornbread so bad, but I'm not really supposed to be eating cornbread. But who have cabbage without cornbread? Come on now. You know, gotta have a little cornbread in it. But anyway, that will be our video for today. It's smothered cabbage. We're gonna have smoked beef sausage, bell pepper, onions. We're gonna add a can of rotel-tomatoes. Hot, yes. Rotel-tomatoes, you guys, trust me. Bay leaves, a can of French onion soup. Oh yeah, we're gonna rock out this cabbage. All right, you guys, let's get ready to do the smothered cabbage. And you can't say Miss O never giving you vegetables. Now, I'll pump you with sweets, I will admit, but we got to balance it out, you guys. All right, let's get this train on the track. Okay, Royal family, here we go. I have 1 head of cabbage that I shredded. All of it wouldn't fit in the bowl, but I want you to see how I sliced it. This is the way I sliced the cabbage. So I just went down the sides and then laid it flat and just sliced it like you would an onion. Also, this is I'm gonna say a large white onion that I cut up. I'm not gonna say diced, it's too big to be diced. This is 2 of the beef sausages. You can add more if you like. I just wanted 2. And if you notice, it has jalapeños in it, so that's really going to give it a nice kick. I have, okay, trying to hold this. I have 1 medium bell pepper that I diced. I have a little bit of olive oil that we're going to put in the pan to saute the sausage, onions, and peppers together. I have 1 10-ounce can of rotel with no salt added. I have granulated garlic. I have sea salt. I have 2 bay leaves. I have 1 10-ounce can of French onion soup. It's really going to make the difference, you guys. And I also have my favorite salt that I get from Trader Joe's, and it's an onion salt. Doesn't have hardly any salt in it, but the onion flavor is off the chain. All right, I'm finna saute the sausage, the onions, and the bell peppers, and I will come back and show you what we do next. All right, stay tuned. Okay, Royal family, I've sauteed the bell peppers, onions, and the beef sausage. And what we're going to do next, until the onions were translucent. So what we're going to do next is add the can of rotel-tomatoes. And the 2 bay leaves. We're going to give that a stir. I'm going to say let this cook maybe, let's say 5 minutes. Then what we'll do is come back, add the cabbage, the seasoning, and then we will cover it for about 20 minutes. I don't like my cabbage real mushy, so anywhere from, I'm going to say 15 to 20 minutes. But I'll come back once this has cooked for about 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, I started adding the cabbage. I did a half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of the onion salt, and a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. And to this, you're going to pour the French onion soup on top. But try to get all your cabbage in, and then we're going to cook it anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, I wanted to show you guys with the French onion soup poured on top. And I have it on a medium high because I don't want it to cook too low to make my cabbage mushy. 15 to 20 minutes. All right. Okay, royal family, we are done. Here is the finished product of the smothered cabbage with beef sausage. And as you can see behind, of course, I couldn't resist. I had to make some cornbread. But I want to show you guys this cabbage. Not too mushy. Let me show you this. Look at that. You see? And it has a nice spice to it. Wow. Very flavorful. And I did cook it for about 25 minutes to my doneness. So I'm going to say anywhere from 25 to 30. Oh, it's going all out the bowl. This is really good, you guys. You have to try this cabbage recipe. I mean, you will really like it if my bowl stopped moving and my mouth is full. But anyway, look at that. Some kind of delicious. All right. And until next time, God bless you. You guys stay safe. And I will see you again. Remember, smothered cabbage with beef jalapeno sausage. Yum, yum. Goodbye. God bless you guys.